How to edit your videos professionally, you must follow these steps. First, you must have the application installed on your cell phone. After that, go to the main screen of the application. Click on New Project and now you will have the option to edit with your style. Click on Allow. Now you can import videos from your gallery, for example. Choose from your gallery the video you want to edit. Click on Add. Here you will find these options: split, speed, animation, style, delete, trim, crop, volume, extract audio, edit, filters, adjust, enhance, mask, overlay, replace, stabilize, opacity, reduce noise, voice effect, copy, revert, freeze and graphics. You can also find, mute the audio of the clip, and add audio. In this button you can click, duplicate, go back or forward, expand screen. In this cross, add a video and click on Add. When you have it on the timeline, you can edit or trim it in this button. In this button you can add a transition for the two fragments of the video. Click on it and you will find the options, e.g. bubbles, blur, lighting. If you click on Edit you will find split, speed, animation, style, delete, trim, crop, volume, extract audio, edit and filters. In audio you find sounds, effects, extracted, recording in text, add text, stickers, automatic subtitles, text template, song lyrics, drawing. In stickers you can add the one you like the most. In subtitles you can find sound source, select language, dynamic subtitles, delete the current subtitle and click on Start. In text template find these fonts. In overlays you can add more images. Exploit your creativity with this application.